What's going on, everybody? It's Ryan from No Limits Fitness Coaching, and today we're going to talk all about weight training, specifically if women should be hitting the weights or weight training. So if you've thought about lifting weights or trying to figure out the best exercise routine for you, stick with me. I'm going to talk all about why you should be weight training as a woman. So if you're looking to try to find the best exercise program or routine to get you in the best shape that you can, specifically to lose fat, to look good, look toned, you probably haven't really considered that weight training is going to be your best option. If you're like most people that I've talked to, they think that, well, I don't want to get big. I don't want to get huge muscles. And so weight training or hitting the gym, the weight section isn't going to be the best thing for me. I just don't want to get big, I want to get toned. We're going to talk about different reasons why you should consider seriously switching over to a resistance or weight training style program. The first reason that women really should think about getting into a weight training program is exactly the reason that they think that they shouldn't, and that's to build the muscles. Now, when I say build the muscles, I'm not talking about trying to get jacked or huge, because I know that 99.9% of you probably don't want to do that, and that's fine. But building muscle is the only way that you're going to get that quote unquote toned look that you're after. Everybody thinks that you have to lift differently or exercise differently to get this toned look. But truthfully, and science has proven time and again, that muscles really can only build one way. They either get bigger and they stay in their natural, look, or they stay the same. And so if you're looking to try to get toned looking arms, for instance, or really that great looking back that a lot of people love to look at, the way that you're going to do that is by building the muscles inside that body part bigger. Now, we're not talking about to a huge extent, but you have to make the muscles grow. You have to make them get bigger, push against the skin, and show that natural shape that your muscle is supposed to have. So really, the reason that you should be looking at a weight training program, a resistance training program, is because it's going to get you the look that you actually are after. One of the next reasons that you're going to find that a weight training program should be very seriously considered is that it is a huge benefit to your metabolism. It is absolutely one of the best ways to speed up your metabolism and be able to drop fat quicker. We don't have necessarily a huge control over our metabolism. When we think of things like basal metabolic rate or our NEAT, our non-exercise activity, we don't necessarily have a huge control. Our body's gonna do what our body's going to do. We do have control over things like exercise and stuff like that. So cardio, working out, we can do. But if your workout can also go into raising your BMR, your basal metabolic rate, to even a small degree, it's worth the exercise. You actually want to lean towards those things that can not only burn calories while you're doing the workout, but also when you're sleeping, when you're eating dinner, when you're just doing your normal activities. It will benefit you then as well. Weight training, resistance training has been proven to add muscle, which then in turn, the muscle burns more calories. So if you just decide to do cardio, which I still suggest cardio as a great means of exercise, burning calories and staying healthy. But by doing just cardio, as soon as you stop that cardio, your workout is over. The extra calorie burn, generally, it goes away within an hour or so. If you put muscle on by doing a progressive overload weight training program, that muscle is going to continue to burn more calories as you go through your day. So you're talking about 48, 72, really, as long as you build that muscle and keep the muscle on, it's going to last you your lifetime, right? So extra calories just from that workout. It's absolutely worth it. And as we talked about before, it's not going to give you the side effects that many people, especially women, think that they're gonna get. So really make sure that you're getting that weight training program to burn those extra calories and raise the metabolism. The last reason we'll talk about why you should seriously consider a weight training program is just the overall general health benefits that it gives you. When we think about especially aging and especially women, there are certain health properties or health issues that we face. We all do, but especially women. And diseases that can really take us out of having a good life, a high quality of life, can be fought by adding a weight training program in. By building those muscles will last a long time. You're going to continue to gain health benefits just from the weight training you put in now. Seriously consider weight training as your primary exercise goal or program, not only to burn fat, not only to look tone, build the metabolism, and also gain health benefits for years to come. So whether you're a man or especially a woman, definitely consider trying to add weight training program into your routine. Now, if you're having trouble doing this or don't really know where to start, I've got a great video for you that I'll post up in the description and right here so that you can help to find that training program that's right for you. Hope you guys liked this video. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Make sure you're a subscriber if you enjoy content that helps you to lose fat, build muscle, and just get in shape. I'll see you guys next time.